Welcome, here I've got Motorola Moto G5S Plus and I'm gonna show you how to change aspect ratio in the camera app at this device. So let's start by tapping on the camera button to open it, and for now we are in the standard photo mode. Now let's just slide to the left to get access to more options about the camera we can manage, and from here let's move to the right corner to this button, the second from the right, so we can open the advanced camera settings. Here in the rear camera and also selfie camera we have the photo size options, so let's tap for example to the back camera photo size, and here we can manage aspect ratio. We have 4:3 ratio and 16:9, and this is connected with different quality, so 4:3 with 13 megapixels or 8 megapixels, 16:9 with 9 and 7 megapixels, and also 6 megapixels. So the one difference that we can see on our eyes in the camera preview is between these ratios. Let me pick 16:9 to show you how it works. Let's go back to the camera, and as you can see this is the longer one aspect ratio. When we go back to the settings and pick again 4:3, we can see that here we have the difference in the camera preview. And the same thing happens here in the selfie camera photo size, but here we have only two qualities, 4:3 with 8 megapixels and 16:9 with 6 megapixels. So this is how to change this. Thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.